Everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can disable your keyboard click sound on your iPhone. What you need to do is just go to your settings, and under settings you need to swipe up and you need to go to the sound and haptics. Just tap on it, and you need to swipe up again, and you need to find out keyboard feedback option just like this. Just open it, and here you see that there are sound is enabled and haptic is enabled. So you need to turn off your sound. For example, this sound of your keyboard is coming and you're getting annoyed with the sound of your keyboard. What you need to do is just turn off the sound, and it will automatically remove the sound. And if you want the haptic or vibration while you tapping off, you can just tap on it and it will automatically turn off the haptics as well. So that's how you can actually use your change your phone sound setting or disable it from your keyboard. I hope this video helping out in doing this. Another way to do this, you just put your phone by this button into silent mode, and just like this, ring mode and silent mode, just like this, your phone will automatically disable the keyboard click sound on your iPhone. I hope this video helping out and making your experience to iPhone and easier, and you're liking these tutorials. Until next video, bye bye.